that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Sunday morning ride to Duwek, Kapiakin, Talna. So it's a chill Tarlacscape. Share ko lang yung naging Sunday morning ride namin. Nothing crazy, walang kahul sa oras. Just chill ride, relax lang, enjoy the road. So we started sa Shell, which is near SM Tarlac. Time check around 6 a.m. This moment wala pong ganong tao since it's still early in the morning. We're heading to the Quirino Bridge, which is ito yung bridge na sobrang traffic lagi. Maybe because going to wet market, going to the city, and for those people coming from Santa Ignacia, Camiling, going to city. Again, destination is on Duwek, Kapiakin, Talna. It's about an hour and 20 minutes ride lang siya from the city, and not too far enough para maramdaman mo na ang naka-escape ka sa city life. And sobrang aga. Wala pong ganong kasabay sa daan. Dito sa part na to, maganda na yung daan. Spalto, cemented. Mas makikita mo na yung mga mountains. Left and right. Which is really nice. Ito sa camera ko, nandiyan yung may wagang lamok na nabundol kanina. Then at the intersection, going to Mayantok, we'll take left. It's a cemented road as well, so nothing to worry sa daan. And then another left pagdating sa mismong wet market. Since it's on the ride, here's our verse of the day. The Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life. The Lord will watch you over your coming and going both now and forever. Amen. Perfect verse for riders or club or MC or whoever na mamotor sa daan kasi bawat alis natin, bawat uwi natin. Safety talaga. And we're here, some part of Mayantok, which is it's a really nice landscape. We did a short stop over here. We'll take some picture from memories, and I was looking for a stone. Yan ang hirap pag wala kang tripod. Muntik pa ako nadapa dyan. Kasi medyo hindi okay yung I mean it's okay, it's fine. Sumalubak. Hindi mo papansin yung bato lalo na kapag excited ka. What a really nice view. And that's Master, the love of my life. And then continue riding another scenery point. Ang ganda ng modular helmet is while you're riding, you can light your cigarette. Pero syempre, be responsible. Kapag kapapatayin mo na yung yosi mo, kasi baka mamaya masudog yung kabundukan dahil sa bisyo mo. So, pure riders ng mga bike, still young, so they can still do it. Me, as a 30-ish, sumasakit na yung puwit mo na nag-ride ka lang. And we're on the first checkpoint. So, need mo lang mag-register dito. I think for 20 pesos. Mag-register lang si Master. Register your name. So in this part, there's like a two road. Taking right, you will head to Kanding Falls, I think, and then through left, you're going to the Duwig, which is yung destination natin. So medyo pataas yung mga daan, but it's really nice. Like, hindi ka makarinig ng busina dito. Maririnig mo lang yung like huni ng ibon. Pero while I'm doing this voiceover, maririnig niyo yung aso umahalong sa gilid. So ito yung bit part of off-road. May pa-off-road yarn. But it's kind of really short. Which is, since gamit natin is 450 MT. Kaya yan. Yung Rosie nga kinakaya eh. See your locals, which is pag nasasalubong itong mga locals na to, ngingitian ka lagi, so you feel welcome. Dad kuya, pasensya ka na, hindi ko mabomba as you requested. Kasi hindi ganun yung bike natin, pang bomba-bomba. And then approaching another off-road. Dito putol yung daan. They're still working on it. Medyo madulas yung ganitong buhangin. And then medyo slippery sa tire ng stock ni CF Moto. But look at that view. That's really good. Few minutes left. Nandun na tayo sa destination natin, which is the Duweg Cafe Ken Talia. Another off-road, and then take left. Paunahin lang natin ng konti yung naka-scooter kasi baka mamaya may mag-slide. At least hindi tutuloy-tuloy yung tumba. Pagpasok sa mismong coffee shop nila, they will ask for 20 pesos. Like to improve yung mismong side, the view, or simply as maintenance. May mga nauna na. This is what you'll see pagdating mo na dun sa pinaka taas, which is sometimes itong place na to kapag masyado ka maaga, you can see like sea of clouds.